Hello friends, exciting news for you all. Finally, Microsoft has released the latest update of Windows 11, so a lot of users are very excited about its features and want to use it. So, how can we download and install this beta version? Let's get started. First, open any browser and search for Windows 11 download. Then click here on the first link. Make sure that your ID is logged in here. If not, then log in, like you can see I did already. Now click on Windows Insider Preview and then click here. So here is the problem arrive. Now to solve this, we will go to Windows settings called Windows Insider Program. Just copy it and paste below here in Windows Search. Then click here. Now you have to click on Get Started. After that, a new interface like this will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on Register here.
Now click here.
And then mark it and then click on Submit. Close it. After that, click on the link and account here. I have already logged in here, so if you have not created Microsoft account yet, then create Microsoft account because you will need it here. So I click on my account and then I continue. So here, I recommend the Dev channel. While the Canary channel offers more features, it also comes with more bugs. On the other hand, the Beta channel has fewer features and thus fewer bugs. Therefore, the Dev channel strikes a good balance with both features and minimal bugs. So I click Select Dev channel and then I confirm. Again, click on Conform and then click on Restart the Windows. After the restart, I will open the same browser that we used for confirmation. Then, I click on Restore. This page will take a moment to load, after which you need to scroll down to this section. So here, we will select the channel that I mentioned earlier, that which is best suited for you. So here I confirm this by selecting the provided Dev channel. After that, you have to select product language here, so I select the US language, and then I conform. So Windows 11 beta version is only available in 64-bit. Now I will click here to download it. Then a message will pop up in the notification bar. For now, I stop the video here and you download any USB bootable software. So here I am using Rufus software to build bootable USB. So here I just open Rufus software and then I click on Yes. After that, you do not have to do anything except selecting the location where your Windows ISO file is located using the Select option here. So here, I will give it. Here you have to give only the path where your ISO file is located, so if you get any error while downloading or installing Windows, then you can tell me in the comment. When you click here on Start, a message will appear stating that your data will be deleted to proceed with the process. If you have important data on your USB, be sure to back it up before clicking OK. So I click on OK. This process takes a while, so I'll pause here. After it finishes, I will restart my PC for installing a new Windows setup. Now my PC is restarting. So what am I going to do here? I will just press the F9 button, which is the HP System's bootable button. Press according to your system's requirements. After that, a list will appear, so you have to select the USB flash drive from it. It's been heard that the installation process of the new beta version of Windows 11 is completely different from the old versions. So let's see what changes Microsoft has made in it. By default, I'm using the United States language, so I select it and click Next. Similarly, I choose the US keyboard settings and then click Next here. Make sure you have to tick or check the two options above. By default, the first one is checked. So I check the third one below and then click Next. Now if you have a product key, enter it here. Since I don't have, so I will click here and then proceed to the next step. Whichever Windows 11 image you want to use, select it here. So I want to install Windows 11 Pro, so I click on it and then Next. Now accept it. Here, delete or format the partition where you want to install the Windows 11. Then click on the same partition and then Next. Now click on Install, so it takes a little while, so I pause video here. Here a new interface arrive. So here I leave the region selection by default, so I click on Next. It's also correct, so I click on Next. For now, skip it. Here you can give device name, so I give it and then I will Next. Now we are going to select the setup for personal use and then select Next. Next it. So here you have to add a Microsoft account. You can also skip this login process and save your time through a very simple and quick trick, so I can't tell you that right now because there may be an issue of guidelines from YouTube. So check the link of this video in the above card or I button and also find it in description. Now accept it. Windows 11 Setup has an option to restore your PC from backup, but since this is preview version, so I will recommend you click here on More Options and click below Setup as a new PC. Now here in the list you can select any of these options, but for now, I skip it. You can also skip the option to link your mobile with your PC. Now if you want to set up backup of files, just click on Next button, otherwise click on Only Save Files to this PC. So I click here on the above option to save my files only in this PC. And now, skip this option. And there we go. Finally, we have installed the Windows 11 beta version. If this video was helpful, then kindly like and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks.